This is the AGC 3-flavor sampler pack by Athletic Greens. I just picked this up. I wanted to do the trial pack before I committed to buying the larger package of it. I believe it's a 30 or 60 day supply. So this one, you just get the 3 flavors. You get chocolate, mint, and mixed berry. This is the packaging that comes in right here. So basically, it's just, you just have the tear off right here. Shows you all of the supplement fats in the back right here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This tears open really easy. And I use the Athletic Greens. I use a lot of their other products, so I'm very familiar with the company. They made some really great stuff. So basically, the 3 packs are right here, and it just tells you what to do right here. So let's look at what one of these looks like right here. So basically, they're saying to mix this with 4 ounces of water, and then just use like a mixer or a frother, or probably just a spoon to mix it together. But looks really just easy to do. You would see it just, you tear it right here. So this is the mixed berry. This is the chocolate mint, and this one here is the chocolate. So each one is packaged up really nice, and it just shows on the back here. Directions: take 1 stick pad, 13 grams, 90 minutes before bedtime, and 4 to 6 ounces of hot or cold water. Blend, drink, and relax. I've never used this one, but the other Athletic Greens, they always mix really well, so I'm sure this one is going to mix just as good. But this is what it looks like right here. So if you're wondering, looking at the travel pack before you picked it up, this is what you do right here. You got the 3 right here in this package, and definitely want to check it out. This is a really great company. Again, this is the AGZ 3 sampler pack.